Hello, my name is Jale Betosh. I'm very happy to be one of the 2 teachers accompanying you throughout this course. In this video, we're going to learn the structure of the International Phonetic Alphabet and some differences between American English and British English. Let's start with the first one, the International Phonetic Alphabet, or the IPA for short. The IPA chart is composed of 44 alphabetic symbols, each representing a sound. For example, the U sound as in two and the T sound as in tea. As you can see in this chart, there are 2 major groups, 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Each group is divided into smaller categories. Among 20 vowels, there are 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Regarding 24 consonants, most of them go in pairs of voiced and unvoiced sounds, such as b, p, and v, f. Well, I know the IPA may look like a monster at first, but with our techniques and guidance, it will become a cute little puppy at the end of this course. And you don't have to remember all 44 sounds. As in American English, some of them don't exist. Let's find out more in the next part, American English signatures. To find the signatures of American English, let's have a look at how it is different from British English. Are you ready? Let's go. Firstly, in British English, the R sound in most cases is only pronounced when standing in front of vowels. When looking at a British English dictionary, the R sound after vowels is often removed or very small. But in American English, the consonant R is always pronounced clearly whenever it appears in words. Here is an example with the word car. In British English, you hear ca, but in American English, you hear car. Remember, the R sound is very clear in American English. Car. Another big difference between American English and British English is the T sound, when it is between 2 vowels or a vowel and a voiced consonant. In British English, the T sound here mostly stays the same. For example, people say water, water, little, little. But in American English, the T sound in these positions is pronounced as a flap T, D, like a soft D sound. Listen to these words again in the American accent. Water, water. Little, little. Another thing to remember, when the consonant T is before a weak syllable ending with N, it is swallowed and turns into a glottal T. Have a look at this word. In British English, it is pronounced button, button. But in American English, it's pronounced button, button. It seems there are a lot of things to remember. Don't worry, you will practice all of these throughout this course, and it will become your second nature effortlessly. Next, there is no ah in American English. It is replaced by ah. For example, the word hot. In British English, you hear hot, hot. But in American English, it is hot, just like the ah in spa. Finally, there are no ia, ea, ua in American English. They are replaced by ear, air, or. So, you don't have to remember these diphthongs because they are the familiar monophthongs going with the r sound. For example, in British English, you hear near, near, hair, hair, mature, mature. In American English, you hear near, near, hair, hair, mature, mature. Okay, let's recap. 1. The sound is always pronounced clearly. 2. The t sound can be pronounced as a flap T and glottal T in some cases. 3. There is no ah, it is replaced by ah. 4. There are no ia, ea, ua. They are replaced by ear, air, or. All right, that's all about the IPA and American English signatures. Feel free to replay this video if you find something confusing. When you are ready, we'll see you in the next video, which is all about our first core sound. See you then. Bye.